Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the little project we're making today. It's a little hanging decoration of Bauble for your Christmas tree, as you can see. So I think it's pretty cute, very easy to make. So let me show you. First, I've got two pieces here of designer series paper, so I've got two different patterns, and of course you get 4 patterns really with the front and the back. And this is a Feels Like Frost designer series paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch with my 2-inch circle punch. 6 circles out of this one and 6 out of that one. So we have 12 circles in total. Let me get rid of that. Now, for this pattern, it doesn't really matter because there's no direction on the pattern. So I'm just going to put those there. These ones do have a direction on the back because of the stripe. And I want my stripe to go across, so I'm just going to lay each one out the same way. That way I won't get confused. Now all you're going to do is take each circle and you're going to fold it in half. So make sure you keep the same orientation with these ones. And then I'm just going to use my bone folder to get a nice crisp fold. Okay, so now we have everything folded in half, so I'm going to bring back my 2 sets and I'm going to start with, make sure when you put them together you keep the score lines together. So I'm going to take 1 from here and then I'm going to take 2 from here, from the other side, always remembering to keep the score lines together. Then I'm going to take 2 and another 2, whoopsie daisy, 2 and another 2 and the final 2 and 1. So it's 1 and then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and then 1. Okay, and now you've got your little stack of circles and all the score lines should match. Okay, so now we're going to take some white baker's twine that I've got here. It's come off its reel, so I'm using it the way it is. And all you're going to do is tie a knot around the centre, following the score line. It's going to be a little fiddly, this bit, but just take your time. And I'm going to definitely do a double knot, otherwise the whole thing is going to come wriggling out again. I know it is. Okay. So there we have our little knot around, just cut off the excess. Okay. So it's following the score line. It does want to move, but don't worry, we'll sort that out later. Okay, and now before I start the next bit, I'm actually going to put in the hanging bit. So I'm going to take another piece of Whisper White baker's twine. I'm going to measure roughly how tall I want it to be. And then what I'm going to do, it's easier to do it now than once you've made up the decoration, is just pull it through the top here and then tie off your loops at the top. There we go, cut off the excess of the tails. Okay, so then you have, woo, my thing is falling off. There we go. Okay, so then you have your hanging element. Okay, so another thing that makes this is glue dots. You really need glue dots. So I've got my handy dandy glue dots here. Find the edge and pokey tool, or we don't really sell this pokey tool anymore, but it's what I've got spare up here, so I'm using it. But you'll take your pick tool, it has the pokey tool on it now, and it is invaluable for glue dots. So you're going to take your first glue dot and you're going to just put it in the bottom quadrant of one of them, like that. I don't know if you can see, not a hope, but I've just put my glue dot there. And then you're going to fold over your piece and it's going to attach to the glue dot. Now for the next one, take another glue dot and you're going to put it in the upper section there, and fold over again, and this is what's going to give you your honeycomb appearance. Okay, and you can see it starting there. So you're always going to do, so if I've done there, I'm going to do down here now. So you're just going to continue to do that. One in the bottom and then one at the top. Okay, so I've done all the glue dots. So remember, it's very simple. You do one at the top, one at the bottom, one at the top, one at the bottom, and you alternate all the way around, and then you're left with that. So there you go. Can't see them very well, but there you are. Oops. 2 hanging decorations. There you are. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little project. If you want any information about it, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to my website and my social media links will be in the description box below. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and to like the video, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.